just an old song, but I used to sing it with my father.
Love up in the ocean, let me drink your potion.
Pearly shells from the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all the little pearly shells. For every grain of sand upon the beach, I got a kiss for you, and I got more left over for each star that twinkle in the blue. Tiny bubbles in the water make me feel happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubbles make me warm all over, with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. So here's a golden rule, and here's a silvery sea, and only here's a toast to you and me. Pearly shells from the ocean, shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all the little pearly shells.
Love up in the ocean, let me drink your potion. Love up in the ocean, let me drink your potion.
Make me want my love.